Penpau iba Ardent baka Sorkar jela kadai ke Sorkar ke Basushim ya kanam ke Burom Jongkiwei. Ila ai nuksa ya ki development ke balap pentrekam da ke pisa nabar jela kung skim JJM bat ke PMAGY hendrai lakam traino da ke Sorkar jela. Ila ong baka Sorkar meklea kadai tang kanong pentrekam neki skim om ke bapenmi ya ki skim.
I feel as if they are trying to take all the credit. In fact, all the schemes that we are discussing, and most of them are the central schemes, we are just the implementing agency. So we would like to hear the schemes, the projects that are being generated by the state government, not to boast about the implementation of central schemes in the state. If you talk about the water supply, Jal Jeevan, this is the central scheme. If you talk about providing household to the poor, PMAGY, this is a central scheme. Why do we feel happy to just implement? Let us try. The state government must initiate its own state schemes, what I feel, if we are really want to be proud of serving the people in the state. So,
Ilaong balay ban sngok hello da ka pentrekam meki skim na bar jela. Hendrai lara ka Sorkar ka thrang shisha ban ai ki development kadai ban persang ru ban penmi ki skim na lade hi.
Media reports recently, sir, that the government of India has set a term to the state government that they must complete these many projects, and if they fail, they have to return all the money.
Ilaong shushu ba katkum ke media report ke Sorkar India kalabatha ya ke Sorkar jela bakadai ban pentrekam ya baro ki project. Hendrai lada ka Sorkar jela kam shimlala ban pentrekam kadai ban penpai no ya baro ka pisa ka balamang na mentakan jela.
And when I listen to members who is praising the achievement and the programs of this government, I would like to come to another para mention.